Hi, I'm True Weather Meteorologist Mark Schanneberger, and I hope you're enjoying the holidays, although portions of the central United States, maybe not so much as they deal with winter weather and blizzard conditions. We'll talk more about that coming up after a word from our sponsor. Okay, so we continue to watch this area of low pressure cycle snow and ice through portions of the central United States with blizzard conditions along portions of the Front Range and northern plains. These conditions are expected to continue into Wednesday morning before tapering off, with less than an inch of additional snow expected in most locations. Now, the exceptions to that will be higher elevations in the central Rockies and an area around northern Missouri where 1 to 3 inches are possible. Remember, the criteria for blizzard conditions have nothing to do with snowfall amounts. They're based on wind speed and visibility levels. Wind speeds have to be greater than 35 miles per hour, and visibility is less than 1/4 of a mile continuously for 3 hours.